Bam.
Alright guys, good morning everybody, Captain Namco here. We're about to do a cold start. Now I have had my battery on the charger overnight. Looks like someone pulled my charger out.
Mom might have unhooked it, I don't know.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Oh.
So first thing first, we're going to unhook this.
It's not too bad, I'll just take my shoes off.
Battery should be fully charged. I had these this battery preserver. This is a 1997 MTD Yard machine.
I'm gonna move my shoes out of the way.
Okay,